Hi, my name's Amelia, and I'm going to show you all the places that I ate at when I went to Banff and whether or not I would recommend them. So first up we have Bluebird, and this was a really cute place. I did do my research beforehand and did book a table. It's very cute inside, kind of cozy, and it has a nice atmosphere. The service was really good when it came to picking the food options. The beef ribs were amazing, and I had some pasta chicken dish that was absolutely delicious, so I'd definitely go here again. Next up there's Farm and Fire, which is a bit more of a trendy type of restaurant. They encourage you to order a few dishes because it's more of a sharing style restaurant. I found the prices a bit high and the food was good, but it wasn't anything amazing. Then we have Una Pizza and Wine. I wasn't able to get a table booking here because it was so busy, so we just got some takeaway. I really loved my pasta. I actually ended up ordering it again later on in the week. The pizza was good, but the gluten-free base I think could have been a little bit better, but still I'd recommend coming here. Next there is the Sky Bistro, and this is up Sulphur Mountain, so you will need to make a booking in advance at the restaurant and also with the Banff gondola so that you can get there. Most people will come here for the view. I will say I was quite disappointed by the food. It's quite expensive for what it is. I don't really know how you managed to get a burger wrong and a bison sandwich, but I would not eat here again. I would literally just come for the views if I had to. Then we have Wildflower Bakery, and this was my favourite place to have lunch at. I came here around 3 to 4 times in the week that I was there, just because they did these amazing sandwiches. And then I also ended up coming back for brownies and carrot cake. I would definitely recommend going here. It's such a nice place just to pick something up and then you can take it and have lunch by the river. Then we have Pacini, and this is a restaurant that was located in the hotel that we were staying in. The food was okay. It was supposed to be Italian cuisine. It was very average, but they did do decent breakfast, so if you're looking for somewhere to have breakfast, it's a good option. Then we have Eddie's Burger and Bar, and this place is very small on the inside, so sometimes it can be a bit difficult to get a reservation. However, I ended up getting takeaway, and I'm really glad that I did because it was probably one of the best burgers that I had in Banff. Then there is the Bison, and this is probably one of the best restaurants in Banff. The ribs were absolutely delicious. I definitely recommend making a booking before you come because it does get busy, but definitely add this place to your list. As you're walking around Banff, you'll see loads of people holding beaver tails. Beaver tails are a piece of pastry, normally warm, that has things like sugar, cinnamon, or you can get Nutella, bananas, cream, and various other toppings. Here I go with the first bite. Does it taste good? It must do, because otherwise there's no way I'd go in for a second bite. When we got back from Lake Louise, we hadn't made a booking anywhere, so we just headed over to the old spaghetti factory, which was absolutely heaving, so we just ended up getting a takeaway. From my understanding, this is a chain restaurant, although I'm not familiar with it, but the food was pretty good. Then we have this ice cream shop, and the queue is always going round the corner, so I never actually managed to queue and get some ice cream. However, if you have tried out this place before, please do leave a comment because I really want to know what the ice cream tastes like. I hope this video has helped. Again, this is all my own opinion, so do make your own and enjoy your time in Banff.